Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today I have the really difficult task of taste testing a Biscoff brownie from the very famous Brooki Bakehouse. I'm super excited. You guys absolutely loved my review of her chunky cookies. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I will leave it up here or here for you somewhere, and also in the description box. And today we're taste testing the brownie. Let's get to it. Whoop. She looks so pretty. I actually love the packaging. I think I mentioned that in my last video as well. I think it's super cute. It's nice and simple, and it's standout. Okay, so little story about this before I open it. So I wanted to film today. Today is a Thursday. I ordered it on a Friday. When I was checking out, I made a little bit of a boo-boo. So I stuffed up somehow the ordering of whether it should be delivered or picked up in store. Anyways, I wanted it delivered to my home. I definitely couldn't make it to in-store. And so I was like, uh-oh, hope it's still gonna arrive in time. Anyways, I emailed their customer service team, got like a thing saying that they'd get back to me within like 48 to 72 hours or something. It was the weekend by this point. And then like following that, the Monday was gonna be like a public holiday in Australia. So I was like, I'm not sure if it's still gonna arrive in time, but thankfully it did. And just to let you know, like the team that I contacted were really, really good to work with, made everything super simple, and they got it shipped out to me like straight away. But yeah, when I was doing it, I made the error. I was like, is it gonna be okay? But then I was like, Brooki seems like super efficient, and like I'm pretty sure she'd hire people like the same and expect that of them. So I was kind of like, I think it's gonna be all good. And it is. So here it is. Let's open it up. Oh, it smells so good straight away. All right, what does it say? This brownie was made just for you. Once delivered, our brownies have a shelf life of up to a week at room temperature. Perfect, I don't need to find fridge space. For maximum freshness, we recommend not opening your package until you plan to dig in. Once open, we recommend storing your brownies in an airtight container at room temperature. You may refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks or freeze them well wrapped for up to a month. We recommend leaving the brownies at room temperature for 3 hours before taking a bite. Perfect, I did that. Okay, so that's awesome. So it's actually got a pretty good shelf life, and that is good because there's no way I can eat this all in one taste test. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, look at the swirls. The smell is just divine already. Okay, so it looks like a chocolate brownie base with Biscoff throughout. So it looks like the Biscoff spread, and I can also see some of the chunks of the cookie. Looks absolutely divine. Not sure if you know, but Biscoff is one of my absolute favorite flavors at the moment. I never thought I would say that, but it's definitely up there. And if you did watch my review of the chunky cookies, Biscoff took the cake. I'm super excited to try this. I'm just gonna dig in. We don't need to warm it or anything. It looks absolutely sensational. And it's just me and my husband about to eat this, so I'm just gonna go straight in. Oh wow, okay, look at this. It's really, really dense. So it looks super fudgy. Yum. It's really good. I have to say, when I scooped it out my first mouthful, I was thinking, ooh, it looks really, really dense, but surprisingly, it's not. It's kind of like more light than what I was expecting. Definitely a lot more chocolatey. I can't quite taste the Biscoff just yet. I might need a second mouthful. Okay. There's the Biscoff now, that little bit on top. And I can see a Biscoff swirl, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Definitely need a second bite. See these swirls here? That's all Biscoff, and the crumbs, Biscoff. You see what I mean by it looks really dense, but it actually doesn't taste it. So it's really, really nice. And I'm just gonna taste this bit of Biscoff. There she is. Hello, Biscoff. Yum. All right, so overall, I would say this is definitely a chocolate brownie with a hint of Biscoff. Super delicious. and it's really nice. It's actually easy to eat as well. It's not too sweet at all. What I really love about this recipe and this brownie is that it's really core to like a chocolate brownie and like what you'd expect from a true brownie. It's like that really delicious fudgy chocolate brownie, but then it's got hints of this Biscoff throughout. So you get the best of both worlds. And if you've got like a partner or a friend or someone who you're gonna share it with, one of you loves chocolate, one of you loves Biscoff, well, happy days, you can both enjoy. You got that really chocolatey base and then the Biscoff swirls and the crumble on top. If you are a follower of Brookies, you will know that they deliver throughout Australia and they also do some locations overseas as well. So definitely head to our website and check it out and see how you can get your hands on some yourself. Guys, if Biscoff and brownies are your thing, make sure you check out a few of the recipes up on my channel. I've got something for everyone. I've got a couple of brownie recipes. One of them is your classic chocolate brownie and one of them's vegan brownie, super delicious. And I also have Biscoff swirls, super yummy. So pastry, Biscoff throughout, very easy to eat and very easy to make. Biscoff swirl. I may have cut myself another piece. If I had to choose between this and the cookies, I would probably say I prefer the cookies. I still really like this, but the cookies will like really stand out. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. I hope that you like this review. If there are any other products that you'd like me to review, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Definitely hit the bell and give me a like and a thumbs up. Thank you for your support and I will see you again soon.